Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a friend from your Snapchat account. So in order to do this, simply click on the top left corner at your profile pic, and then you need to scroll down a little and see this option of my friends. Simply click here and choose that particular friend that you want to remove. So for example, let's say I want to remove this friend right here. So simply hold on to them, and here you can see this option which says manage friendship. So click here and click on the remove friend button. Once you do this, it will ask you for a confirmation and you need to click on remove again to remove them. So that's it, how you can remove any friend from your Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.